My name is Danny Teach and I'm here today to explain to you how to play the new song of LIL NAS X, That's What I Want, from the album Montero. So this is a very cool song to practice your bar chords and your rhythm. I don't know what's happening to me, I'm allergic to something, but I must find out what it is. I don't know. So I'm gonna teach the chords first and then the rhythm, okay? And then we go for the chorus and I'll do the same. I'll teach the chords and the rhythm, because most pop songs have 4 chords and they repeat from the beginning till the end of the song, but not this one. This one is kind of complex in the harmonic chords. I don't know anything about theory, but let's go. The first chord is a C sharp minor. Okay, this is how to play it. I'm gonna put it right here, okay? Then we're going to do we're going to go up and do a minor chord as well, but this time a G sharp minor. And then we go really fast for this B major. Okay, but I don't like to play major chords down here, so I'll do it here. Okay, so I like to play like this instead of, okay, because going backwards and also going down is kind of hard, so I prefer just slide this shape to here and lay down this finger, okay? Okay, for the rhythm, your hand needs to be really loose. So English is not my first language, so don't judge me in the comments. And my main language is Portuguese, so don't judge me. So, like I was saying, to play the rhythm, you need to be really loose in this hand, okay? So this is the basic of this rhythm. Just go slow with it, and then you get the feeling of it. And then to create dynamics, you need to squeeze sometimes this and lose this chords, okay? Because that's the thing of the bar chords, you can squeeze them and release them and do like mute stuff. And this song has a lot of this, okay? See, I just squeeze and then release a little bit and then squeeze again. Okay, just try to mimic and you're going to be fine. So you're going to play this 3 times. And at the 4th, you're going to go to a different chord. You're going to go for the F sharp minor, okay? So here you are playing G sharp minor. It's the same finger shape, but 1 tone below. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, you see what I did? So F sharp minor, A major, and you go for the G sharp major. And here I like to throw sometimes a G sharp dominant 7, but not in this song, okay? See the difference? More jazzy, I don't know. Okay, so this is the verse, okay? Now for the chorus, this is my favorite part. The rhythm is like exactly the same. I'm gonna play it really slow. Somebody love me, that's how I want. My voice is normally not like this, but like I said, I'm allergic to something that I don't know what it is. Somebody love me, yes I want. Somebody, okay, so just practice this rhythm. To practice rhythm, I suggest, I don't know, my nose is very itchy. So to practice rhythm, I can suggest you to put your fingers like this, like lay down on the strings, but not squeezing, just lay down, and then just go with me. I'm gonna go really slow now. Now stop and click on the subscribe button over here and in the like button, and by doing that you'll be able to learn this song very quickly, like that. Snap, snap. I'm joking, let's go. Okay, just train this. A little bit slower. Let's go. This helps a lot, like doing the rhythm with your mouth. I don't know, but it helps. So let's go for the chorus. Somebody love me, that's how I want. Okay, so you can do like a major over here, E major over here, or you can go here, but I think the song goes up and not down. You can do both ways. Somebody love. Okay, then you go for this. Somebody love me, that's how I want. Okay, I like the sound of here, the E major here, but I think the song goes higher. I don't know. Somebody love me, that's how I want. So A major, E major, then you go for the B major, and then you end in the minor chord. My nose! In a C sharp minor. And that's the whole song. Yo guys, I was editing this video right now and I discovered I forgot to mention something. I will mention here real quick. In the end of the chorus, like you do, somebody love me, that's how I want, okay? And then in the part that he says, that's what I fucking want, okay, you're going to go for these notes. That's what I fucking want, okay? So I'll play the end part. Somebody love me, that's how I want. Somebody love me, that's how I want, okay? Na, 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 na. That's what I fucking want. See, you go for here and you play like ta 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 4 times. Pa 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 pa. Okay, to do like this squeeze sound, you play and then you take your fingers off like softly. Yes. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Subscribe to my videos because I'm gonna teach more songs of LIL NAS X if you like it. I will teach Miley Cyrus and LIL NAS X song. I don't remember the name. I'm waiting, something like that. But subscribe to my channel, be happy, and follow me on Instagram at TennyTeach. So let's go. Wow. I also give guitar lessons if you're interested. Just send me a message on Instagram. Bye. See ya.